Hey guys, how's it going? So I joined the hype train and I bought Greenpower Motor Company. I bought 2,000 shares at $3.38 and now I'm up 1,220 Canadian dollars, 18%. The people who bought at 217 or lower is probably just laughing it up right now because they made so much money. So I decided to buy it just so I can get rid of the FOMO. Just buy a little bit. So yeah, and will it continue to keep going up? I don't know. I hope so. I think it will. I think green power will go up to around $4.50, maybe even $5 in the short term, and then there's going to be a massive crash. I think that will happen eventually. Will it happen tomorrow? I don't know. Maybe not. There might be another big day coming for green power. I think because it's getting listed on the Nasdaq. I think the price needs to be trading a little bit higher than $2.96. So I think big money will be pushing this up to around $3.50, maybe even $4 US. So I think green power will continue to move to the upside. So I'm going to hold my position for another day. Well, I mean, it's too late now. The market's closed, so I have to hold my position regardless. But yeah, you can't, buy a stock that's hot and hope that it keeps going up. And right now I think it will keep going up. I should have bought it when the Nasdaq deal was hit. I could have doubled my money. I literally could have doubled my money if I bought it at 217 or something around here. I could have doubled my money, but I was being stubborn. I saw it run so much already and I was scared. And I shouldn't have been scared. I should just bought some. I would have bought way more shares down here than I would have bought up here. I would have bought maybe 5,000, maybe 10,000 shares down here versus up here. Now that it's ran too much, I'm just buying a little bit because FOMO, basic FOMO. But hey, I'm up 18% on my FOMO buy, so far I haven't made a mistake. So we'll see where this continues, but yeah. Anyways, Green Power Motor Company on the US side, 297. I think it'll go higher. Could be wrong. The volume is so powerful that even on OTC, it's still trading after hours. That's insane. OTC doesn't really have after hours trading, but it's still moving, and the market is already closed for 10 minutes. So yeah. Torres Acquisition Corp up today, $40. This could be the next Nikola Motors, so that's insane. Will continue to go up? I don't know. Hope so. So I came across this really interesting video. So this person, ALT Living, she ran across an Electra Solo car and she videoed it, and I want to share the video because it's interesting. This person doesn't even make this person makes videos on random stuff, I guess this person doesn't even make very many videos. But yeah, I'll play the video and then I'll talk more about it. This was made on March 31st, 2018.
Hi there guys, we are here at Canadian Superstore, and as you can see I'm pretty giggly because something very funny just happened. We came across this guy that produces the solo cars. I think that's how the car is called. I think that's how the car is called. And we kind of chased him to take footage of his car. And I think he was a bit annoyed because we were not the only people. There were more people around taking pictures, filming his car. And he said he was already used to it. That happens all the time because his car is so cute, so small, so compact. And people want to take pictures. It's normal, right? Plus, it's a free advertise for him, and it's a very sweet car. It's an electrical car for one person. I personally prefer a van because, you know, you.
I'm gonna stop it there because I don't want to take the entire video. But as you can see, this is the biggest reason why I invest into Solo, because it's a magnet. A lot of people stare, take pictures. So if there was advertisement on the car, the advertisement would do well because a lot of people would take pictures and, you know, stare at it, and that's like really good advertisement for a lot of companies. So I think a lot of companies would want to, you know, not partner, but maybe sign, like if Solo can sign a contract with Walmart or Amazon or some big company that guarantees them 10, 20, 30,000 cars, I think the stock would skyrocket. But, you know, that's if. In the short term, I don't know what the stock's gonna do. Maybe when August, like the company, the management doesn't seem to be very, like they don't seem to have somebody that is like, you know, promoting their stock and attempting to get the share price up. You know, there's no hype man. There's no Trevor Milton. There's no Cam Batley. There's no hype person to hype the stock up. So that's, you know, and investors think that the Solo will fail. Think about it, right? The Solo's been on the road for so long. They had 23,000 pre-orders on October something, and you know, right now their pre-order numbers are probably way higher, and it will probably just get higher and higher and higher over time, in my opinion. I mean, yeah, people can cancel their pre-orders, but putting a $250 deposit down is a decent commitment. Like, you don't put a $250 like price, like a bid, if you're not interested in buying the car at all. Like, if you were not interested in buying the car at all, you wouldn't put that $250 in. That's just how I see it, right? I mean, I could be wrong, and when the time comes, people are like, oh, I don't have the money anymore, I'm not gonna buy the car. You know, there might be a few people like that, but when you put money down, like $250, you're basically committed to buy it. And there's, you know, as of the press release, 23,000. The company doesn't want to seem to hype that number up. They don't want to seem to release their pre-order numbers. Why? I don't know why. Maybe it's just a management decision to keep that silent, and that's just the reality of it right now. So it sucks, but that's it. So whatever. I'm gambling that management is in the background working and hoping that, you know, one day Electroma stock will get rewarded and I'll make a lot of money. Hopefully. I don't know. As a long-term investment, that's my philosophy behind holding Electroma. Anyways, Tesla is up 29 cents. Blink charging is down 5 cents. Workhorse is down 9.5 cents. Diamond Peak Holdings had a decent day today and is up another 3 cents after hours. Hennessy Capital also had a little boost today and is up 5 cents after hours. Tesla pulled back today, but that's just a correction. It'll go back up again, in my opinion. Nikola Motors down today 2%. Plug down 59 cents today. After hours up 3 cents. Candy, I feel like this company is underappreciated, but that's just my opinion. It should be trading higher. Dana should also be trading higher because they're partnered up with Shell or Hyliion, so And they're a profitable company. They have a PE ratio of 25, and their market cap's only $2 billion. They pay a dividend of 2.84%. So, little underappreciated my value. A Rocket Company, nice day today, 12.44%. The only people that really benefited from this was the people that bought the day before, or the people that could buy pre-market. So, will this continue to go up? I don't know. Big money ultimately dictates the stock price because it has a big, it has a really big market cap. I think like 50 something, like $60 billion or something right now. $57 billion market cap. So we'll see where big money pushes this. NEO today was up. Ooh, look at that, $15 already. People love NEO. Aurora had a little bounce today, up 10 cents. It was red and then it bounced. Afria also had a pretty nice day today. After hours, it's slightly down. Canopy Growth is, decent day. It seems like all the MJ stocks kind of trade the same. They all trade the same. It's like one big manipulation party. Tilray. Well, maybe Tilray is a little different, but yeah. Harvest Health today. It looks like it had a little bounce near the end of the day. Planet 13, bouncing back to its. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's just too much love for this, and the stock is not gonna have a correction after all. Curaleaf is look at that, up 67 cents. I was wrong. Maybe there is no downtrend. Downtrend is over. Stock is going back to its 52-week high. Liberal Health Science, up today 3 cents. Very good food company. They need to do some big PR, but the more time passes by, the better, because management is executing behind the curtains. It's just not daily PR, but I'm sure that they're working on a US strategy plan. I'm hoping one day we see a NASDAQ listing on Very Good Food Company, and they do the same thing as Greenpower Motor Company. I'm hoping. I don't know if that'll happen. I'm hoping only. Very good. High Tide up 1.5 cents. Meta is just trading sideways. Workhorse was up today pretty decently, 43 cents. Neo Lithium Corp, a little underappreciated today. Lithium American Corp, I think this is a really interesting play at this price point, but that's just my opinion. Lithium is needed, right? So, yeah. AMD was down today. After hours is up a little bit. Let's look at Micron, see what Micron is doing. Micron had a nice bounce today. Intel just traded sideways today. Nvidia is probably past $500. Yep, $500. Market cap of $312 billion. So yeah, big money loves Nvidia. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.